Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Gemini API Error Code 429. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to send requests to the Gemini API using models like Gemini 2.5 Pro or 2.0 Pro, but the request gets blocked due to rate limits. According to our findings, this error happens when the number of requests exceeds the capacity allocated to process them. It can also occur if you don't have a provisioned throughput subscription, or if you're using a pay-as-you-go plan without sufficient capacity. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to switch from a regional endpoint to a global endpoint if you are currently using a regional one. Using the global endpoint can help with handling requests more efficiently. If the error still comes, then try implementing a retry strategy using truncated exponential backoff. This means if your request fails, wait a bit before retrying and increase the wait time slightly with each failed attempt. If the error still persists, then check if your project uses quotas. If so, submit a quota increase request. You can also try smoothing out traffic to avoid large spikes, especially if your model uses dynamic shared quota. Then check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.